morning, boys and girls. So here's your Haggerty for today. So I'm going to say some words, and I want you to tell me the two words that rhyme in that word group. Ready? Try, cry, made. Which words rhyme? Try and cry. Mask, task, see. Which words rhyme? Mask and task. Do, camp, lamp. Which words rhyme? Camp and lamp. My, me, tea. Which words rhyme? Me and tea. Fall, put, mall. Which words rhyme? Fall and mall. Came, right, same. Which words rhyme? Came and same. Doubt, shout, win. Which words rhyme? Doubt and shout. Okay, for the next part, I'm going to say a series of words, and then I want you to tell me the onset, which is the beginning sound. All of these words will have the same beginning sound. It's called the onset. Excuse me. Gift, gate, golden. What is the onset or beginning sound? G. Ask, actor, apple. What is the onset? A. Is A the short vowel sound or the long vowel sound for A? Yep, it's the short sound. Kind, kettle, keep. What is the onset? K. Idea, icicle, ivy. What is the onset? I. Is the I sound long or short? Yep, it's long because it says its own name. Good job. Heavy, help, hand. What is the onset? All right, get your choppers ready. Okay, copy me. Ready? A. What's the word? Cape. Ooh, s. What's the word? Less. I. What's the word? Pike. T. B. What's the word? Tub. T. O. T. What's the word? Tote. D. K. What's the word? Duck. P. P. What's the word? Pop. Huge. What's the word? Huge. Eat. What's the word? Seat. Age. What's the word? Cage. All right, for the next part, you're going to tell me which two words end with the same sound. Okay, so I'm going to say three words, and you tell me the two words that end with the same sound. Case, road, hide. What two words have the same sound at the end? Road and hide. Toss, glass, net. Which two words have the same sound at the end? Toss and glass. Soap, rain, top. Which two words have the same sound at the end? Rain, top. Tab, leaf, off. Which two words have the same sound at the end? Leaf and off. Dark, bike, race. Which two words have the same sound at the end? Dark and bike. All right, the next part, you need your choppers. We're going to now break the word into phonemes. Ready? Say the word home. O, m. Say the word beam. B, e, m. Say the word lead. U, a, d. Say the word make. M, a, k. Say the word neck. N, a, k. Say the word fuzz. Say the word tack. T-a-c. Say the word rope. R-o-p. Say the word lock. L-a-c. Say the word rip. R-i-p. All right, good job. All right, ready? Repeat after me. Say oat. Add k. What is the word? Coat. Say ite. Add v. What is the word? Bite. Say ift. Add g. What is the word? Gift. Say al. Add w. What is the word? Well. Say ache. Add What is the word? Make. Say ugh. Add d. What is the word? Dug. Say ook. Add oo. What is the word? Look. Say ix. Add f. What is the word? Fix. Okay, say the word hunt. Hunt. Take away. What are we left with? Hunt. Say fox. Ox. Without f, we get ox. Say dime. I'm. Without d, we get I'm. Say sand. And. Without s, we get and. Say cube. Cube. Without k, we get cube. Say rain. Ain. Without we get ain. Say told. Old. Without t, we get old. Say neat. Eat. Without we get eat. Say pack. Ack. Without p, we get ack. Say best. Est. Without b, we get est. All right, nice job. Okay, the next part. Put your fists together, put your fists together. Ready? Say the word keep. Change k to we get heap. Say pond. Change p to b, we get bond. Say night. Change to s, we get sight. Say roll. Change to p, we get pole. Say heel. Change to f, we get feel. Say knob. Change to j, we get job. Say sail. Change s to w, we get whale. Say hunt. Change to b, we get bunt. Say. Change s to we get ray. Say bug. Change b to d, we get dug. All right, good job, friends. So the next part, we're going to do the word cards, so I need you to say the sound. Ready? Z. That is the hard sound for C. What is the soft sound? S. You're right, as in scent, citrus. What's the sound? W. D. J. Y. B. Ooh. Qua. G. kind of letters were all of these? Yep, they were consonants. Unvoiced, voiced, shh, ch. W. What kind of letters are these? Yes, I know they're consonants, but they're called something special. Yes, they are digraph. Very good. What is a digraph? Two consonants put together to make one sound. Nice job. We're almost done. What's the sound? Ah. Eh. Ah. 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 Then we have this one. We have what as in cry. What is the I saying at the end? I. And then we have what as in baby. What is the Y saying at the end? Yep, E. So Y can say I as in cry or E as in baby. What kind of letters are these? Yes, they're vowels. And remember, vowel sounds say their sound. They make their sound. And you have to train your brain to look for the vowels in a word because the number of vowels tells you the number of syllables. All right, friends. Good job. Have a good day.